Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mpho and I genuinely like to chat all things business, careers, and sometimes a little bit about life. Now, keeping on with trying to post a video every day on YouTube, well, shorts for the most part. Today's video is a little different because I'm excited. So I bought a new microphone. In case you were wondering who this new partner we have here is, got new microphones and I wanted to do a little bit of unboxing with you guys. Now, so the mic that I bought two of them, is the Samson Q2U recording, and so I got the recording and podcasting pack. I got it from Take A Lot. Now I'm gonna run you guys very briefly through how I decided on which mic would be best for what I want to do on this platform, and actually also projects that I'm thinking of starting in 2022. And then I'm gonna take you through how much it costs to buy it, and then also what I get, and I guess also the decision behind, how I got to or the thought process rather, in terms of how I got to deciding on which mic would be best for me. So I don't know what I said number one was, but basically the mic that I got is this Samson Q2U from I got it from Take A Lot, and I actually got it from Samsung. It comes with, it says it's perfect for podcasting, and also you can record music on it. I'm gonna unbox it, but then also I'm gonna share with you guys what it comes with, and all the things that I'm looking forward to using it for. So here's the box, guys. I don't even know how to unbox. I'm just going straight for it. But here's the box that it comes in. And obviously, as per Take A Lot style, the actual box is a refrigerator box. Somebody said that on Twitter that you order a toothbrush on Take A Lot and they will give you a refrigerator size box. And isn't that true? It's very true. Anyways, let's open it up. We're not gonna be pretty in terms of how we open this up, guys. If I had a knife or a pair of scissors, that's actually what I'd be going in with. Yeah, let's do it. So inside the box, we have another box where the mic is actually put in another box. And this is what it looks like. It's the Samson Q2U, as I mentioned. And it also comes with a USB cable. So this you can plug into your mic, and then if you're using your laptop to record, you can plug into your laptop. And then it comes with an XLR plug. So if you have a mixer, you can plug it directly into your mixer, and you can actually also do both at the same time, which is quite cool. So if you're working on an important project and you're worried that you may lose your sound, you could back up your recording by maybe recording into something that takes a USB input, and then at the same time recording with your mixer. So it's quite cool that it comes with both the XLR as well as the USB input or output options. I don't know, but you can plug it into that. And then it also has this thing to actually, I don't know what the technical thing for it is, but it basically blocks out surrounding noises, and maybe even, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's got this thing which is apparently good, so you must put it onto your microphone. Otherwise, if you have it like this, then you could have feedback from your environment. And then it also comes with this little stand. It is a small stand, like a tripod type of stand that it has, but obviously if you wanted to, you can just buy a bigger, or like one of those tall standing stands. If you wanted to, you could just buy that and use that, and this little attachment thing for your tripod stand. So that's basically it, and I'm looking forward to using it, to playing around with it. This is obviously the first video that I'm doing where I use that mic. I'm looking forward to playing with the microphone, and looking forward to projects that I want to start in the next year using this microphone. On the price, so I got it from Take A Lot. I think I paid in total 2,600 for both mics, or 2,700. They were on a 30% or 27% special. So, but I will leave the exact item that I got, and hopefully you guys, if you're interested in it, you can get the same thing, or you can get something similar. I'll also leave links to reviews that I read, which actually helped me in making my decision. So that's the price point. I ordered on Wednesday, and today is Wednesday the 1st of December, and it was delivered before, so just after 10 a.m. Friday the 3rd of December. So Takealot was quite quick in terms of the turnaround time in getting the microphones to me. The other thing that I wanted to chat about is just how I decided on which microphone to get. And you know what, honestly, there was no technical knowledge here because I've never necessarily worked with different mics. I didn't know what sound I wanted. But the one advice that I was seeing on the internet and the different blogs that I've looked at is that you need to be aware of the environment that you're recording in. So, you know, obviously the best sound will come out if you're recording in a well-controlled environment. You're blocking out all of the noise. It's not noisy. You know, we don't have studios here at home. I'm actually going to be recording from my office, but you know, it must be in a must be in a controlled environment, but also the mic is quite good in just eliminating all of that background noises or blocking that out so that it just takes, you know, feedback from the person speaking. So that's also what I saw, and I liked that. And then secondly, it had a lot of great reviews from tech geeks, if you call it that, you know, people who know all about microphones, who know all about podcasting. I think like it was rated very well, also for its price point. You know, microphones can be expensive, and I was shocked just at how expensive microphones can be, but they can be very expensive, and this is one of those quite affordable, beginner friendly type of microphones. So that was more or less the thought process, you know, in terms of why this specific microphone. I also liked the fact that, you know, you can hold it in your hand, but also if you wanted to, you can have it stand on a tripod or one of those long stands. I did like that. So it does provide some flexibility. If you want it to be on a desktop, you can just use this tripod stand, and then it'll stand on your top of your desk. Or otherwise, if you know you want it to stand on one of those longer type of microphone stands, you can also have that. And then you can also maybe use it on your hands, and you know, that makes it quite flexible for when you want to work mobile. So anyways, that's it for this video. Like I said, nothing really technical. I was just excited to have these microphones, and I thought maybe I should make a longer type of video. It'll still be short. It won't be a YouTube short, but it'll still be a short video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning. I'm so excited for you guys to see what I have planned for 2022. I'm also looking forward to it, the one project that I want to get off the ground next year. Hint, it involves microphones. Thank you guys all so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep well.